Do you live in this highlighted area? This green, this yellow, or this orange? If you do, you need to be staying weather aware, as there is going to be a chance to see some scattered severe thunderstorms that develop in these areas. By the time I'm making this short, there's already some tornado warnings and all kinds of different stuff happening out there. But this thing is expected to continue throughout the night. So you can see we're going to have some of these supercells out here that have the chance to produce some monster hail, some tornadoes, and some severe thunderstorms out here. But eventually some of this will actually turn into like a squall line, okay? At some point, there's going to be a nighttime threat. So it looks like at 11 p.m. Eastern. This is what, midnight Eastern, so it's going to continue through past midnight and then into the morning on Saturday, March 7th. As we get into the 7th, there's actually going to be a continuing severe weather risk for parts of Ohio and down there into these areas, and those are for the slight risks and the marginal. So the risk continues tomorrow, but mainly talking about today. So this is eventually going to turn to squall lines. So make sure you have a way to get alerts tonight, especially while you are sleeping. Now there's also going to be some cape out here, which is also going to help with our tornadoes. So this is going to help support development for the tornadoes that develop out here. And this can, like, if we have any tornado wings out there, make sure to take cover in an interior room on a low floor building. I know since you guys live out here, you guys are probably used to tornadoes around this location, so you probably like, well, I already know, but yeah, this is the real deal, okay? This is the real deal. This thing kind of looks like an avocado. You can see right here. Once it starts looking like an avocado, you know it's probably going to be pretty significant out there. So yeah, mainly a severe weather outbreak, but I wouldn't doubt a tornado outbreak tonight. So make sure to be watching your weather forecasts. As you can see, this is our tornado risks for today and tonight out here. A significant tornado risk up here and a significant tornado risk down there. 5% around this area and a 2%. We actually had a few tornadoes in parts of Michigan today. One that was actually really strong, I think. So that was pretty crazy. But we even got this conditional intensity group 1 risk, so if you're in that 5%, 2% area, inside those like little lines right there, there's a little kind of looks like a hatch risk. Those are going to be the areas that if a tornado does happen, I mean the 5%, the green, the 5%, which is the brown, and the yellow, 10% significant tornado risk in those locations. Those are just the probabilities, okay? But the conditional intensity group, if a tornado does happen in some of those areas, it could be pretty strong, so please make sure to be staying weather aware. There's going to be a tornado risk tomorrow from Columbus through Pittsburgh up there towards places just south of Buffalo, and then another tornado risk tomorrow down there from Jackson, Nashville up there towards Memphis and Shreveport, Louisiana. So I'll be watching both of these days, so make sure to be staying weather aware, hyper weather aware, especially if you're in this orange. So yeah.